Hello class, and welcome to ECE 101. It's great to have you with us here in this class for the next 5 weeks here at the University of Arizona Global Campus. Welcome to everyone. You're going to find this class a little bit different, especially in the discussion forum, where you may have already noticed that we use a software format called Packback. Hello, how are you? In Packback, rather than faculty asking the questions, you are asked to design the questions based on your reading from this week on a specific topic. For example, this week you're going to be addressing some of the landmark issues in early childhood education that had a tremendous impact when they were first introduced, but continue to have an impact today. So your first step will be to review a little bit about how Packback works. There's a video that introduces you to that. And then also, as you go into the discussion and click at the bottom to load the Packback, you can explore the site and see where you go to ask your questions and to provide your synopsis, your summary of the topic. Don't answer your question when you do that, but summarize what the topic is about, because you want your classmates to dig into the topic and research in our textbook and possibly other places they wish to look to discover more about the topic of your question. Along the way, if you have questions, don't hesitate to email me. I will respond as thoroughly and as quickly as possible. Have a great first week and enjoy the entire class. Thank you.